adding. When I'm adding, I need common denominators. So I'm not going to bother factoring the numerator here. Not that I could, but even if I could, I wouldn't factor it. I am going to factor my denominator. Leading coefficient is 1, so it's got to be that shortcut one. I need to multiply to negative 24 and add to 5. So 1 and 24 doesn't work. 2 and 12 doesn't work. 3 and 8, that's the one that's going to work. With the 3 being negative. So m minus 3, m plus 8. I'm going to throw some parentheses around that. Now, my common denominator, I need an m minus 3 right there. I need an m minus 3, but I already have it, so I don't need it again. And I need an m plus 8. Now be careful, I am adding, I am not solving. So that little trick where we multiply, I can't use it here because I'm not solving an equation. So I need to get my common denominators. This one needs an extra m plus 8. So multiplying top and bottom. The second one doesn't need anything. Getting a little messy because I'm in a hurry. So I get m, I'm going to go ahead and distribute. I get m squared plus 8m. And then I'm going to add across the top and keep the denominator the same. Why am I doing that? Because that's how you add fractions. So it's going to be, I'm going to do it in 2 steps. M squared plus 8m plus 5m minus 48. Combining my like terms is going to give me m squared plus 13m minus 48. That's not one of my options, so I know either I've done something wrong or I'm not done, and I'm not done. My numerator can factor. It's got that leading coefficient of 1, so it's a shortcut. That's an m. So I need to multiply to negative 48 and add to 13. So 1 and 48 doesn't work. 2 and 24. 3 and 16. 4 and 12, getting closer. 5 doesn't go. 6 and 8. 7, does it not factor? I may have made a mistake. Let's see. Oh, here we go. 3 and 16. That works. So I'm going to do a negative 3 and a positive 16. I forgot to think about my signs. They needed to be different. And that was where I was missing it. And then my m minus 3's will cancel, giving me m plus 16 over m plus 8. And that does have a match right there.